It was Saturday evening. Kit and her mom were preparing dinner. Kit noticed that Mom bandaged her hands.
Are you okay, Mum?
I am fine, sweetie. I got burned while I was cooking last night.
During the meal, Kit noticed the chicken was not well cooked. She knew her mom was not able to cook well. The next day, Kit's mom left home early and would return at noon. Kit thought about preparing lunch. She appreciates how her mom has worked hard to take good care of her.
I can take over to prepare lunch today. How should I get started?
She started to look around and found that there was chicken soup from last night's dinner.
I can boil 2 eggs and cook some noodles. I should boil some carrots too.
Kit put on an apron and boiled water to prepare the eggs and carrots. After a while, Kit saw Rain walking past.
Come right in, Rain.
Rain saw Kit wearing an apron and asked if she was going to cook.
Yes. My mom accidentally burnt herself the other night. I want to cook a simple meal for her to show my appreciation.
Kit then invited Rain to the kitchen.
It is good that you express your appreciation to your mom. I am sure she will be happy when she sees your efforts.
Where are you going?
I have finished the chores and my homework. I wanted to come and see you, as you looked worried yesterday.
Thank you. I appreciate you making the effort to visit me. I was worried as my mom has been coughing.
Is she better now?
She is better now. She said she has been busy at work. My mom always helps her co-workers. She always tells me she appreciates them as they always help her too.
Rain told Kit what her mom taught her about showing appreciation to others to create friendships.
Although I do not have a lot, I am happy with what my mom provided for me.
Rain and Kit started to talk about Shine having a lot of things and is still buying more. Ping advised Shine to stop the habit and start appreciating the things she had.
Ping was right. It helped Shine think about what she had. Shine changed her bad habits and appreciated what she had.
Have you cooked for your family before?
Once, when my mom told me to help, she asked if I could cook a simple meal.
Were your 2 younger sisters happy with your cooking?
My family enjoyed my cooking. They expressed their appreciation. These happy feelings stayed for a week. It feels good to be appreciated by others, especially your loved ones. We must not take anyone for granted and express our gratitude and appreciation whenever we can.
I am very grateful to my mom. She is a single mother, and I appreciate whatever she does for me. As I cannot help with money, I help out at home and study hard.
You are doing a great job, Kit. Your mom will also appreciate your thoughts on cooking for her.
I think she will. Her appreciation is my new motivation. I want to learn to cook more dishes.
I will practice and compete with you. Do you think our friends want to compete too? We can have a competition.
Rain and Kit started to talk about what they wanted to learn to cook.
Rain, how do you feel about having so much responsibility? You are always helping at home and caring for your younger sisters. We have a lot of homework too.
My sisters often turn to me for help. I find it difficult to plan my time at times too.
My mom and I make a point to appreciate one another for the simplest things we do.
That is correct. Appreciation is not only for important issues, it can be for anything. We should always express our appreciation.
It was time for Rain to get home, and she said goodbye to Kit. Kit's mom arrived home at noon. She looked happy and smiling as she walked into the house.
Mom, you looked happy.
Sorry, Kit. I came home late. Can you wait for lunch?
Lunch can be served soon. I have added eggs and noodles to the chicken soup.
Kit said as she showed her mom her first try at cooking.
Oh, my sweetie, you cooked this by yourself. It smells nice.
Mom, why are you looking so happy today?
I had a chat with my boss. He will give me a higher pay to appreciate my hard work.
Great news, Mom. Will you have more money soon? Is it common to use money to show appreciation?
For appreciation, We usually do not use money to thank others. For work, it can be different. My boss knows that I am working hard as a single mother, and money is important to me.
Oh, is this considered a reward? He sees your efforts and wants to reward you.
You can say that. Doing more for others can be a form of appreciation.
Kit and Mom started to have lunch while they continued to talk. Mom was happy that Kit had cooked for her. She feels it is one of the best meals, as Kit prepares it with love.
Mom, I will help you cook again. You can rest.
It was a happy day for Kit and her mom. They feel appreciative of what they have done for one another. Stop and think. Why is it important to show appreciation to the people around us? How do you feel when someone says thank you or shows they appreciate you? Each day, we should learn to appreciate the people around us and the blessings we have. Showing appreciation not only strengthens our connections and relationships, but also brings positivity to ourselves and those around us. A simple act of gratitude can brighten someone's day, and often happiness grows when it is shared.